done by complete service. Alright, about to jump into it. Go ahead and take off the little stuff like air box here and there. Let's go. Alright, like I said, we're going to keep going further into it, but what we're going to do, I'm just going to put it up in the corner and we're going to time lapse it. And then just go from there. And then until we get to the teardown part, installing the springs, the cam, etc., all that, headers, then we'll just do videos. But until then, go ahead and join this time lapse. Let's go. More progress. See the water pumps off. You see the water pumps off, radiators out the way. One step closer. For too long, she's about to come out. The rear, and it needs a new rear main. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop those axles out, as you can see, one on each side. And took this axle bolt off. Already popped the tie rod in off. Take this bracket, because we're just gonna do is swing this down and then move the axle out the way and put it back just so you can move the truck around. So, alright, as you see, the axle was out. We'll need to be able to move it around, so that's why just knuckle. Go from there. And so it's going too bad, but
this side, I mean, look at this. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding.
One step closer, you see exhaust manifolds Man, there we go. 10 more to go. Gee, I wanted to make sure it was in there. Oh, the Trailblazer SS. Trailblazer SS build. See, we got the oil pan off right now. Gonna do. Guy wants a Baffle kit. And there you have it. Baffle kit installed for your Trailblazer SS. As long as it don't smell like fish. Cleaned up around there. Now we about to just reinstall the oil pan. Button her across. So go ahead and torque it down back on. Well, that's gonna do it for today. Stay tuned for the next video of the reassembly, and then the tune, and then the head work. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't miss a beat. See you next time. Peace.